and welcome to this video. I'm Omar and today I will show you how you can protect your Excel sheet by a password. Let's say that you are storing financial data or passwords of your social media and other accounts in an Excel sheet and you don't want others to access it easily. So you put a password for this Excel sheet so you can add an extra layer of protection. So let's see how we can do that. Here I have this personal income data for myself, and of course this is not real data, it's just an example and some imaginary numbers. So here I have the different types of incomes, the full-time job, YouTube channel, dividends and rents, and I am showing the income for each one of them during the 12 months of 2021. And I have my total income before tax for this year. But of course I don't want anyone to see this data. For example, if someone steals my laptop or my phone, or I just kept my computer unattended and then someone comes and opens this file. So I want to protect it by a password so that no one can access it. So in order to protect it by a password, I go into File, and from there I go into Info. So here in Info you can see the Protect Workbook. So if you press on this icon here, you will see different types to protect the workbook. So you have the always open read only, you have the encrypt with password, which we will do now. You also have different types like protecting the current sheet only or certain parts in the sheet, like for example not allowing people to add columns or rows or removing some cells. So you can control the sheet or the complete workbook from this, or you can also add a digital signature to show the integrity by having your signature. Also you can mark as final so that others know that this is the final version. So in our case we want to encrypt with password. We press here on encrypt with password, and as you can see the caution here, it says if you lose or forget the password it cannot be recovered. It's advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. So this means that you don't have the option for forgot password or to, for example, change the password if you forget it. So make sure when you enter the password to store it somewhere safe in order not to lose access to this Excel file. And when I'm saying store it somewhere safe, please don't store it on your desk next to the computer or laptop, because it doesn't make sense. The people will see your password and enter the Excel file. So maybe store it somewhere safe digitally or on a paper somewhere safe in your home or whatever works best for you. So now let's put the password. You can put any password you want, and it's better to make it more difficult and enter numbers, letters, and maybe capital letters, small letters, in order to make it more protected. So I will enter my password. I will press OK, and it will ask me to re-enter my password so that I'm sure that I entered the password correctly. And I press OK, and it says now a password is required to open this workbook. So this means if I close the Excel file and I open it again, it will ask for a password. Let's try that. Press save, and here I have my Excel file. So if I press on it, it will ask me for the password. This file is protected, please enter the password. So after entering my password, here you go, I can see the personal income data for 2021. I hope you liked this video and this feature from Excel, but also it's present in Word and PowerPoint and other Microsoft Office products. It's very important to put an extra layer of protection to your files and make sure that no one can access them, at least easily. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends to help them also protect their files. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to always stay updated when I post new videos. and also to access and see my previous videos.